Now to some other news. 14 hours of deliberation, 2 questions and still no decision. Deliberations against Brandon Banks have now gone on nearly as long as his trial. Channel 4's Haley Mason is live at the courthouse. Haley, will jurors stay at it until they reach a verdict tonight?
We are not sure at this hour, Tom. I've been told that the jury has asked the judge yet another question since we were last on air, but it does not appear that this was a legal related question. Still, though, we were not giving any details about what it was about. I am told they said they do not want dinner yet, which may be a sign that they are still in intense debate and not wanting to stop this discussion. Now, we know that this case may seem cut and dry because this video of the assault and pictures. Corey Beatty and Brandon Vandenberg are the principal offenders and were both convicted for the 2013 rape of an unconscious student in that dorm. But Brandon Banks has claimed that his participation was made under duress and threats of physical harm. And many of the other counts, the jury is being asked to hold him criminally responsible for Beatty and Vandenberg's actions. The state argues they were all encouraging each other, but Banks testified that he got no enjoyment out of this assault and he did not want to participate. We talked to a criminal defense attorney who explains how jurors could be conflicted with the guilty verdict despite the overwhelming evidence.
Just because you did it doesn't mean you're guilty. We've seen the video of Brandon Banks and what he did, but whether the jury is actually going to return a finding of guilt against Mr. Banks, despite the fact that he did the things that the jury very clearly saw in the video, is still to be determined. A hung jury, the defendant's not protected by the double jeopardy standard, so he could be retried, and I would imagine in this case he would be retried.
Right now, the jury is still in disagreement. They have to reach a unanimous verdict. I've been told it's been tense. I've been told it's been contentious in that room. We'll bring you updates when we know if there's any progress being made tonight. Reporting live at the Davidson County Criminal Courthouse, Haley Mason, Channel 4 News.
Haley, thanks. If the verdict comes in the next hour, we will break in immediately. Once this newscast is over, stay close to your Channel 4 app. We'll push it there as soon as it happens.